Hey, in this video I will show you how I installed the Tannus tire armor on my Radrunner EU version. I had many flat tires and I got sick and tired of repairing and changing tubes. Now these tires are not the original stock tires, but a bit larger Sandstorm tires from Chaoyang. I will put a link in the description to where I bought them. They make the bike go a bit faster than the slightly smaller and narrower stock tires. They also do not make as much noise. Tannus Armour is an insert that wraps around your tube inside of your bicycle tire. It is made out of a kind of foam which is quite thick at the bottom to prevent punctures. It comes in a range of sizes to fit various tire sizes. Installation is not too hard. I will show it on the back wheel as this is probably the hardest. I will show how to add new tires and tubes at the same time. You can use a bucket filled with dirt to make it easier to work on the wheel in a flat position. Add the tire and fit the inner part of the tire inside the rim. Then add the Tannus Armour inside the tire, where the tube would normally go. Fit the inside of the Tannus Armour inside the rim. I got new tubes, which matches the tire. It is easier to install the tube if you inflate the tube just a bit first. Make sure you align the tube valve with the hole in the wheel. Now this can be a bit tricky. It is easier if you put the wheel upright and press the valve up through the hole. Remember to screw on the valve cap to avoid the valve slipping out back through the hole. Then tuck the tube in between the rim and Tannus Armour. Now tuck the Tannus Armour outer edge inside the edge of the rim. Now you can tuck the other edge of the tire inside the edge of the rim. This might require some force and a pair of tire irons. Do not use screwdrivers, as you might damage the tire or tube. Make sure the tire is aligned centrally on the wheel. It is recommended inflating the tire at 5 psi lower than you would normally, given the Tannus Armour takes up quite a lot of space inside the tire. One of the great features of the Tannus Armour is that if you get a flat during your ride, you can ride a few miles without hurting your rim. Given the larger tire, the back wheel is actually easier to install if you deflate it first. Anyways, I managed to get it installed, and using the throttle, I did a final check for any alignment issues. I installed the egg rider, which allows the throttle to give full speed to the motor. On the Radrunner EU version, the throttle is normally locked at 5 km an hour. You can check out my other video on the other benefits of the egg rider. I must say that the Tannus Armour has been a great investment. As mentioned, I had a lot of punctures before installing the Tannus Armour, but I haven't had a single flat tire since installing them. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.